Alright, well, good afternoon, everybody. Today is April the 8th. It's 1 o'clock p.m. and myself and Preston here, we're at 7,000 feet in the Cardinal on the way to Kansas City for a fuel stop because we are going all the way from Dallas up to Minneapolis, Minnesota.
We're going to the March Madness Championship, Virginia versus Texas Tech. I'm a Texas Tech student. We last minute decided to, about 12 hours ago, decided to go. Bought 2 tickets, hopped in the Cardinal at 7 in the morning, 8 in the morning, and we're on our way.
I got a text last night that, hey, do you know anybody going up to Minneapolis for the game? I said, well, no, not really, but I'm not doing anything.
Yeah.
So long story short, we ended up getting in the Cardinal and we're flying ourselves up there. So this is a pretty cool adventure. We've got a bag of snacks. We're eating our way up to Minneapolis today. That's the best way to do it. Down here off to the left. Looks like they're building some wind turbines down here. Kinda cool.
Alright, so we're here on the ground in Miami County for fuel. We got these guys in front of us at the fuel pump. They're topping off their plane. And then hopefully we can get ours in, get us topped off, and be on our way. They scheduled us about a 15-minute stop here. We got here a few minutes early, but time's a ticking, so hope we can get on the road here pretty soon.
One eternity later.
Alright, so now we are, we're showing about 2 hours and 15 minutes to go till Minneapolis. Getting hungry though, gonna have to start breaking into some more snacks here pretty soon.
Finals, here we come.
Here we come. This is the one time where like I wish I had an autopilot, is for when I'm trying to eat. Eating and single pilot IFR. 2 times I wish I had an autopilot. We are 20 miles away. This leg has been 3 hours and 20 minutes so far, so I'm getting ready to get out of the airplane. Yeah, I've never been up here before.
So much water.
There's still ice on the lakes.
Minneapolis approach, west wind, 388 whiskey, level like 3000, 040 on the heading information, Victor.
The ice on these lakes, pretty cool to see.
Final looks clear.
Clear to
Clear to land 32 left, Cardinal 375. Clear to land, lights are on.
Get a quick video here of this.
That was a good gust right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hello balloon.
Beautiful.
Cardinal 20375, goes to ground, taxi Alpha 3 via Alpha, have a good night.
Alpha 3 via Alpha. Good night, 375. Alright, yep, 340.
Championship game for the first time in school history. Here are the Texas Tech
Hey guys, so we just made it back from the game. sitting in the hotel room now. It's pretty late. We're getting ready to go to bed. It was an unfortunate loss for Texas Tech, but it was a really good game. It ended up going to overtime. It was a great game to watch. So we didn't record much while we were there because we were too busy having fun at the game. We're going to head to bed now, but we'll get back with you guys on the trip tomorrow. Well, we're here in Miami County for our fuel stop again. After a pretty terrible landing, we've made it. We're alive. Preston's over here. He's going to get us some gas. I'm going to go inside and figure out the food situation because we're hungry. Alrighty, we got our food, we got gas. It's time to press back on to Dallas. What are we at?
Miami County has an airport or a restaurant on the airport called We Be Smokin'. And they have lots of barbecue. They're not open on Mondays, so we didn't get to go yesterday. But we stopped by today and got some food. I have a Weeby hoagie sandwich with brisket and turkey. Not sure how to eat this. It's gotta be messy. Luckily I'm flying with someone who knows how to fly, so I can eat.
It'd be a challenge to do all of this, unless you had an autopilot.
That's the best part.
Cardinal 375, kind of Kansas City Center, 132.9er, good day.
132.9er, Cardinal 375.
Not bad. Definitely not Texas barbecue though. Alright, well, that was pretty okay, I guess. I would give it maybe a 2 out of 5.
5-2 Mike, perfect.
That's fair.
The sauce was good. I think they make their own sauce because I saw it in bottles so you can buy it. We Be Smokin', Miami County Airport, 2 out of 5. Would I go back?
Yeah.
Yeah. They have cheap gas there, so
I'm sure the food is fine if we stayed.
I would go back.
Fresh.
Yeah, and if you eat it there, it might be better, so I'd go back.
Well, 1,500 miles and 4 days later, Preston and I made it back to Dallas. Unfortunately, our team lost the game, but it was a good trip nonetheless. The weather was great the whole time. Got some good food along the way. Now we're here getting footage off the cameras. Preston's got a flight at 9:20 this afternoon, or this evening, to get back to Lubbock. So, gonna hurry up, get this done, get the plane put back in the hangar, and we'll be good to go. Thanks for coming along on this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you liked what you saw. And remember, life looks better from the sky. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.